it's Lauren with Bargain Bead Box, and today we're going to go behind the beads and look at the July Desert Sands collection. I'm excited to talk to you about the curation process and the items that we sent this month. So let's take a closer look. Alright, starting off, our main gemstone pendant for the month is a Picture Jasper rectangle tab pendant with an MSRP of about $3.99. So I love Picture Jasper. I love all the different variations. I'm going to show you some of the different variations possible. Every piece is unique. You will get one in this box, but you're going to get everything from like this gorgeous like sandy opaque brown to like desert landscapes to like really abstract looks. You get some that have more granular patterns. Ooh, I love that. And some that have more linear patterns, and that one has granular linear patterns. Look at that. And then some of them remind me of like almost like a cave painting. You've got this great dark mossy patterns running through that. So every single piece is different. I'm just showing you a bunch here to give you an idea of the many possibilities. So each one is beautiful, each one is unique. Yours will look probably completely different from any of these, but it's not completely different, but you know what I mean. So yes, you get one of those. I will leave one out and we'll move on to item number 2. All right, so item number 2 is this 8mm Picture Jasper round strand. So this is a $6.99 MSRP, and what I particularly love about this batch that I found is just all the variations. Most of the strands in this month's boxes, you're going to get a lot of different variations on here. You're going to get some of the lighter, darker, so that no matter what your pendant looks like, you're likely to find beads on this strand. They're going to match it very well. I love Picture Jasper. I've been wanting to do a Picture Jasper box for a while. So when I found this tab pendant and I was able to get it as part of a factory closeout deal, I was super duper excited. Got some nice 8mm rounds to match it. 8mm is one of my favorite sizes to work with. It's simple and it's just a great size for bracelets or necklace, everything in between. So I always try to include some rounds that are going to go with your pendant. Next up, we have a 7-inch strand of 6x4mm red rainbow jasper. And I love this. You kind of get the Southwest deep brick red vibe here with some white and even a little bit of like orangey tones occasionally. So very, again, earthy, natural. This box is all about the natural gemstones, which is one of my favorite things. So this is a $4.99 MSRP. And yeah, when I went looking for other jaspers to match with it, in the red rainbow, I love that you do have the same like brick reds that you have in traditional red jasper, but you just get more colors and patterns, which for this box was a win. And then our fourth item is a 15-inch strand of 3mm micro faceted lapis round beads. Look at that. They're so sparkly. They're really gorgeous. The size may vary slightly from like 2.5 to 3.5mm, but 3mm is the average. And they are cut by one of my favorite lapidaries. They just do these gorgeous, crisp, tiny facets. And having the natural lapis in here, again, you just get more great natural earthy tones. I love the sapphire color with the red and the brown. Super fun. Alright, so next is item number 5, and this is a 7-inch strand of Picture Jasper rectangles. And I picked these because I wanted something to complement your pendant. You've got a lot of rectangles in this box, and also again, those patterns, stunning. Every single one of them is different. Every single one of them is gorgeous. Your strand may look totally different than this strand. The variations in Picture Jasper are what makes it so fascinating to me. Each one does really look like a tiny desert painting to me. So this is a $7.99 MSRP, and they're about 18mm long. All right, item number 6 is even more Picture Jasper. We have these gorgeous matte rounds. So I love the contrast of the matte with the polished beads. I also like how mattifying this strand makes it look a little more homogeneous. You don't have quite as much contrast. It kind of blurs things up a little bit, but you still got beautiful patterns. I feel like it makes the dark patterns stand out almost a little bit more. So it just adds another shade of natural earth tones to this box. And then the next item is synthetic aqua terra jasper. So this is not a natural gemstone, it's man-made. And it's actually quite a process to make, to get the epoxy and resin and get those red and sandy brown bits in there too. So it is fairly expensive to produce. But I loved the color mixture. I think it complements this box so nicely, and those marble tones in there, that little hint of red. I really, really loved it. So this is about a $4.99 MSRP. And our next item, number 8, is these 6x4mm crystal faceted rondelle beads. So I really wanted to get some turquoise colors into this box. We've got kind of that Southwest vibe and going on. You have to have some turquoise. And I looked at doing some various types of turquoise for like African turquoise jasper and everything, and I didn't find a deal on it that I was happy with. I would have had to cut out way too much other stuff. So I ended up putting that turquoise color in with these gorgeous crystals, and I'm really happy with how that worked out. It's a $3.99 MSRP. You get this beautiful color while you're also able to get way more natural stones than with traditional turquoise. But I love, love, love the turquoise and brown together. It just brings so much brightness and beauty, and it makes me really happy. All right, number 9, we have 10-piece faceted crystal barrels in dark red, so with an AB finish. Again, I just wanted to bring more of that dark red in here, and I like the shine of these. Mixing the shine with the matte, it adds so much, I feel like, depth and texture, and I love this barrel shape. It's so pretty. So yep, you get 10 pieces of those, and it is about a $3.99 MSRP. Next, we have these frosted glass round beads in dark coral red, and I really do adore this deep red color. I feel like it goes great. It's a good size to use with the rondelles too. And again, you've got that matte finish, so you have some matte, some polish, some AB, just to mix and match however you like. And next we have a 4mm crystal faceted bicone. And so this is a golden shadow AB. It's a lovely pale champagne color. And I wanted to add a little sparkle but keep that neutral color. So I really like these crystals for that reason. And I always try to include some bicones. They're generally easy to find in lots of different colors, and they add some sparkle, and I know some people really like to use them. If I ever don't put bicones in a box, I tend to hear about it. So I really appreciate y'all letting me know that you love them. I am happy to include them, and I think they add some really nice sparkle in neutral color to this palette. So next we have number 12. So this is a stainless steel textured rectangle pendant. So this is a $2.99 MSRP. It is tarnish resistant and hypoallergenic. And I loved the creased and wrinkled patterns because it made me think of sand dunes. So it makes me think of like desert topography. So that's why I went with this wrinkled textured rectangle motif. You're going to see it in the charms and links coming up as well. This is a $2.99 MSRP, as is this 2-piece pack of rectangle charms. So these are made of brass plated in genuine sterling silver, and they are just so pretty. Again, you've got that wrinkled pattern which really catches the light, and I thought they'd make super cute earrings to go with this. They're a little bit lighter in tone because they are sterling versus stainless steel, but I really, really love the way that those finishes go together. Next, we have a $3.99 value. So these are also a sterling silver over brass. These 4-piece links. So they're exactly the same thing as these little rectangles, except they have 2 holes instead of 1. So you've got 4 of these. And I just thought they were so cute. So, and I think these would go really cute as like accents in a necklace with this piece. I'm excited to play around with them. All right, next up we have our faceted rondelle beads. So these are an antique silver. The exact silver tone may vary slightly, and I really loved the sharp facets on this shape. So always great to have spacer beads. I always try to include some in your box. And those are our beads this month. You get a 10 grams of them, is $2.99 MSRP. All right, so then we have 20 pieces of bead caps. I love bead caps. Always, always, always try to throw some in. Every now and then we'll have a month without bead caps, but I can't stay away from bead caps. They add so much, just so much texture to your designs, and they just make things look finished in a way that I appreciate. So this is a great size to use with your 8mm beads. You've got these little dotted bits, but I picked them because I think the texture on the top kind of reminds me of that wrinkled sand, and I feel like it goes pretty well with those. So always love a bead cap. All right, our 17th item and second to last is a meter of 4x2mm brass diamond cut jewelry chain, and it is lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. So I really like it. It's a delicate chain, but it's got these facets on it, that diamond cut bit there. So it's really finely detailed, and I think it goes well with the detail in these links and drops, the smaller ones especially. But you can also double it up, and if you want a more pronounced and dramatic look. So this is a nice quality chain. It's a $3.99 retail value, and you get a little over 3 feet. So you could do several things with it. And then finally, number 18, we have 3 sets of toggle clasps, and we have an open square design because I couldn't find a rectangle that I liked. So I figured this is the next best thing, and it's just a very classic, very classy toggle. So, all right, that is everything we included in our July box. I hope you're having fun with it. I'm really excited to play with it, get some fun tutorials put together for y'all, and I am loving seeing what you're making in our Bargain Bead Box Creative Corner Facebook group. So if you're not already a member, please feel free to join and make sure you answer the membership questions so the auto responder doesn't delete your request. But we'd love to have you join us there. And seriously, our members are incredibly talented, and it blows me away seeing what you make with your beads every month. So this box is a $78.32 retail value, approximately. And we will have some extras available on our website, beadboxbargains.com, if you'd like to grab one. Now, if you want to join and get future boxes at the lower price of just $22.99 a month with free shipping in the USA, you can join us at bargainbeadbox.com, and your membership will begin with August's box, which is going to be great. I'm really excited about that one too. But another benefit of joining the Bargain Bead Box is you get a 30% off coupon to use at the Bead Box Bargain store. So you can catch up on some past boxes at a lower price and just save money on all your everyday purchases. So that's what we've got for this month. I'm really excited. I hope you love it. I love all the naturals gemstones. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to play with. So anyway, thank you so much for watching and for being here. And thank you so much to all of our members for making this box possible. We wouldn't be here without you. Thanks again, and happy beading.